This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Terri Baker. Enjoy city living at its finest in this luxurious, contemporary condo. West/12 feet ceilings, over 2,400 square feet of space, exposed ductwk, sprinkler sys, stunning wide plank WDFLS, and lots of windows. Gourmet kit separated by 10 feet bar area from great room. Upgraded finishes include marble, granite, stainless steel, special lighting and fixtures. 2 televisions convey as well. 2 pking spaces in garage and storage space included. You will fall in love. Unit has 2.5-ton high-efficiency HVAC system. For more information, review the details below.